What does your tinnitus sound like? Tinnitus isn't always a ringing sound. What does yours sound like? Some people hear a high-pitched tone, others describe it as a buzzing, hissing, or even crickets. The sound you hear can be totally different from someone else's. Recognizing tinnitus sounds helps you to describe it to a professional, track changes, and understand what might help. So tell me, what does your tinnitus sound like? Drop a word or emoji in the comments. Let's see how many different types we've got. Bye, friends.